Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I have this new Coast Lithium -X battery. This one's the 8-pack for the lithium ion 1.5 volt 2400 milliamp with a 3.0 watt Henry batteries. And then the other one has four of the AAA lithium ion 1.5 volt 750 milliamp Henry, 0.9 watt Henry. These are the rechargeable USB Type-C, easy charging with the built-in Type-C. So you can save the earth by using these rechargeable batteries, replace a single-use battery. And this one offers a lifetime warranty, cost care. It says since 1919, over 100 years. So somehow I never heard of this battery brand. So here are the four of the AA and four of the AAA batteries. And then there's a USB Type-C charging port right there on top of the battery terminal. So it is made in China. So this battery is quite expensive. It's $27.99 for the whole package from Costco. It is not on sale right now. It says power everyday alkaline device. You can use for remote flash, mouse, gaming, or other CB. So they come with two of the battery storage cases. And good thing about this one is a Type A, USB Type A, and a Type C. And it goes to for the Type C. So by the way, the reason I get this because some of the battery that we use is 1.5 volt, and I've been trying to use a rechargeable battery with the nickel metal hydride. Those are 1.2 volts. So I'm gonna test this thing out, see how long it's gonna last compared to the alkaline. So let's go and then open this up. It says open here. And this one is the AAA. By the way, I purchased similar this kind of batteries from eBay before, but it was a USB. It was a micro USB instead of Type C. So you gotta be careful. Somehow I was charging on the desk and then it got shorted. Lucky it didn't cause a fire. Very dangerous if you don't put it correctly. So this is Type A. Take out it to convert to Type C to Type C. And they have this case similar to the N loop. And you could interconnect this together like that. So for the Type A, you put it like this. Okay. And for the AA, you can put it like this. And this is how you connect it. It's just in all the way. Right, and then you plug this into your laptop, your adapter, anywhere to charge it. I'm going to show you the other one that almost caused fire. So this is the one that almost caused fire. Somehow one of the battery was shorted or something, and then it touched the other battery. So it's better to separate them. This might be one of them too, so I had to throw one of them away. So I think I purchased 8 of them. Anyway, I'm gonna plug this one in right here. I have a USB Type A and Type C right here. So yeah, make sure you separate them, because it's kind of hard to, it's like 4 in 1. And then there's a LED indicator right there. I guess it's when it's fully charged, going to either turn green or turn the LED off. So this is a better build battery, so we'll see. So the LED turns green when it's fully charged. And when it's being charged, it shows a red LED. Yeah, try to not the battery touch itself. Try to separate them like that. And I'm going to test out the voltage. Turn it to DC. So it is 1.42 or 43 volts, so it's not fully charged. So I'm going to fully charge them and then do some tests, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, be sure to subscribe or else you're gonna miss out anything in the near future. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.